Oh God, my Lord, my Savior, when will you give me handful of money? How many days I will have to live the life of a poor man? God, please help me. Hey Goddess Lakshmi, please be with me always.
Dad, I need money.
What did you say? Money? What do you need for?
Dad, my class is going for picnic. That's why they've asked to get 700 rupees.
What? 700 rupees? I can't even spend mere 70 rupees for my undergarments. And you want 700 rupees? Nothing doing. I don't have 700 rupees for your picnic.
Dad, you never use your money for yourself. Now if you are not changing your torn undergarments, then is it my fault?
Hey Gaura, how can you say all this? Why am I doing all this? I am doing all this for you, Gaura. Do I not feel like wearing branded clothes? I can also do show off in front of others, right? But I save money for your future and I don't care about my desires in front of yours, Gaura.
Okay. Dad, please don't cry. I won't go for picnic. Instead, you buy new undergarments for yourself. I won't go for picnic, okay?
Oh God, my son thinks so much for me. Can I just not fulfill his such a small wish? Hey Gaura, you were asking money for picnic, right? Take this.
Thank you, Dad. Hello. Hey bro, your plan really worked, man. My miser dad finally gave me money for the picnic. Alright then, let's meet on the day of picnic.
Hey, are all kids here? Is anyone yet to come?
Sir, all kids have come, but Sukata is yet to arrive.
What? Where is Sukuta? Hey Gaura, where is your friend?
How would I know, sir?
Oh, look there. See, Sukata is here.
Hey Sukuta, where were you? Hey, will the bus wait for you for the full day?
Sir, it's not my fault. I was on time. But while coming, I had urgent nature's call. That's why I had to go back home. Hence, I got late.
Hey, why does this happen all the time with you? Don't you have a timing for your nature's call or it happens throughout the day?
Sir, do you really think nature's call will come as per timings? Nature's call and death can come anytime. Yes, sir. We cannot really control nature's call. Doesn't matter if it is a king or a beggar. No one can control nature's call.
Shut up! Hey. Are you writing a thesis on nature's call?
Hey, Hatti sir has slept off. Come on, let's all play some game together.
Hey Gaura, which game are you talking about?
Hey Kalindi, it's a game and the rule of the game is whoever gets the topic, he or she will have to sing a song on that topic. Okay? Oh wow, great. It will be really fun. Hey Gaura, you start the game. Your topic is potty. Yucks. What topic is this? Potty. I will not sing a song on potty.
Hey Gaura, you are the one who set the rules of the game. Now you cannot say no for it.
Okay. I will sing. Just listen to me. Go and pass the potty in your courtyard, hey Sukuta. The fragrance of your potty will spread all over, hey Sukuta. You pass the potty and I pass the potty and we both will pass the potty together. Why are you giving me excuses not to pass the potty, Sukuta? So, how was the song, guys?
This is really a rubbish and a shitty song. Yucks. I was expecting a little better from you. Anyways, your chance is done. So now Sukata will sing a song. Gaura, now you give a topic to Sukata.
Yeah. I've already thought of a nice topic for him. Sukuta. So now I will give you fart as a topic.
Yucks, man. What the hell are you guys talking about? Really shameful.
Hey, Gaura, I also have a nice song, especially dedicated to you, Gaura. Whenever you pass my door, you fart aloud and do more and more. Your fart stinks so more that I can't open my nose. No, more.
Hey Bhima, what are you doing?
What did I do? Listening to the song, I feel like vomiting.
Hey, everyone, guys, be alert. Bhima is vomited.
It's stinking. It's stinking. It's stinking a lot here. It's absolutely disgusting.
Vomiting.
Since everybody is there in the bus, hence I'm leaving you for now. If you would do this outside, I would have ripped you apart. Got it?
After I give this water to cook food, I will be free then. After that, I will play with friends. I will roam around and I will have fun.
Hey Sukuta, you were talking a lot about me in the bus. You don't know me yet. Let me teach you a lesson now. My name is Bhima and I am the enemy of the enemies.
Hey Bhima, that was all just a joke, man.
What did you say? I'm unnecessarily taking it seriously. Wait till I bang your head right now.
Hey, Bhima, why are you beating him so badly? Wait till I call Gora right away.
My name is Bhima and I'm the enemy of the enemies.
Hey, you are beating my friend? Just wait. Hey, Gaura, don't beat him. Leave him. Let him be. He was beating you so badly, and now you are telling me not to beat him? My bro, you know what? Fire cannot cease fire, and hatred can never win hearts. It's only love who can give birth to love. My granny has taught me. Hey, Sukuta, but he was beating you so badly. I understand, but I guess somewhere it was my mistake too. Anyways, let it be. I'll quickly take this water, else Hatti sir will again scold me. Hey Sukuta, please give some mutton to Hatti sir. Alright, I'll give him.
Hey, wait. I have it already. I don't need more.
No sir, please have some more. Hey Sukuta, give him some more. He hasn't eaten anything since morning.
Hey, please don't serve so much. I'll not be able to eat so much. Wait. Don't serve more. Wait.
Eat it, sir. It's not really so much. You will be able to finish it all.
Oh God, I have eaten too much. I am not even able to move. Hey, kids, it's already too late. Hey driver, please stop the bus.
Sir, what happened, sir?
I am really getting pressure in my stomach.
Sir, please control right now. We'll reach home soon.
No, I can't wait till I reach home. Hey, I am really getting pressure in my stomach. Driver, please stop the bus right now.
Sir, do you agree now that pressure and death can come anytime? No one can come to know what time one will get the pressure.
Yeah, Sukuta, I agree. Driver, now please stop the bus.